Hi, you're welcome in English shorthand Pandey classes 100 WPM for Patna High Court. General dictation. Ready? Start. I submit to you that by presenting the budget in this house 6 or 8 weeks ago, I do not claim that I have performed wonders, full stop. But if you look at the situation that this government inherited, it was a situation of almost certain default on international obligations, full stop. If we had not acted the way we acted, you have my assurance, India would have by now been declared a defaulter, full stop. What are the consequences of default? Question mark. To know the consequences of default, we have to look around, full stop. What has happened in Latin America? Question mark. What has happened in Africa? Question mark. Once the country defaults on its international obligations, nobody would touch it, full stop. They have to import on a cash and carry basis, full stop. Nobody gives credit, full stop. Even after that, I think sooner or later these countries end up with a hat in hand before their international creditors in the IMF or Paris Club or London Club, full stop. We have prevented that situation, full stop. It has been the sincere effort of our government that somehow we must keep the honor of this country intact and also our unblemished record of holding of our commitments intact, full stop. I think that unblemished record must be maintained, full stop, para. I do not submit to you that, we have succeeded in doing that, full stop, but I am not promising you that if this country goes on spending the way it has been spending, and if everybody says that subsidies should be increased, and if everybody says that the tax rates must be reduced, and if the productivity of investment in this country remains as low as it is today, I do not promise you that there is divine law which would ensure that India would not face default, if we continue to do all these things, full stop, para. Therefore, all that I can say is that I have bought some time, full stop. This is the time we must use for retrospection, to set in motion those reform processes which would convert this crisis into opportunity, full stop. If we do not do that, I can assure you, you will face unemployment and inflation of type you have never seen before in this country, full stop, para. I regret that I have to do what I had to do, in cutting the fertilizers subsidies, full stop. I wish, it had been done over a period of time and gradually, full stop. Yesterday, as an honorable member quoted a report of a very famous agriculture secretary and a gentleman from Karnataka, and for whom I have great respect, who had in that report clearly recommended that the fertilizer prices had to be raised, and they are to be raised gradually, over a period of time. Stop, over.